Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find passwords and security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on the privacy here, and as you can see in advanced section at the very first position we've got encryption and credentials, so simply enter. And at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so let's tap on OK. And if you've got a pattern or a PIN or password, just enter it to confirm. And as you can see, we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.